And my name's Ryan. I'm a physiotherapist at SOS on Northfield in Waterloo.
And we are going to be hosting the in-person dance workshop that will be held on June 3rd. That's a Saturday at 10 a.m. at our Northfield location.
Yep. We're excited to talk to you about some of the common injuries that many dancers might be currently dealing with or may have to deal with in the future.
We will also discuss some things that you can start to work on now, including running you through a bunch of Pilates exercises that can help prevent injuries but also improve your technique.
Yep, and we're looking forward to answering any of your questions. This workshop is for dancers of any age, any skill levels, from wanting to dance in your living room to dancing in competitions.
So we are very much looking forward to
Woo!
it, and
Yes.
we hope to see you guys all
See
there.
you there.